The best foldable tables that blend into small spaces. The best foldable tables are not pieces of furniture that you can fold and store in any corner of your house or office. They are compact, portable, lightweight, and seamlessly blend into any small space. Whether you are planning to host a party or a gathering of friends, or even planning to cook while you travel abroad, you will need them. To help you find one that suits you, we reviewed some foldable tables with their features, pros, and cons. Dive into our list and select your favorite one. Number 1. Best Lightweight. Lifetime Height Adjustable Craft Camping and Utility Folding Table. The folding table has a large size of 48 by 24 by 29 inches, which provides plenty of space for utility storage, whether at home or outside. It features white granite color, a sleek design, and is portable and lightweight at 19.2 pounds. What we like. Suitable for all-purpose use. Molded tabletop for long-lasting use. Sufficient seating capacity of up to 4 occupants. Mid-section foldable for easy portability. Adjustable height settings at 22, 24, 29, and 36 inches. High center weight load capacity of up to 200 pounds. What we don't like. The surface may be textured and not smooth. May wobble sideways at the highest setting. Number 2. Best Easy to Assemble. Costco Deluxe Fold in Half Blow Molded Folding Table. The Costco Deluxe Fold in Half Folding Table is blow molded with a smooth matte finish in black color, adding class and elegance to your furniture collection. It comes in a rectangular shape and requires simple assembly before use, because it is relatively lightweight at 25.5 pounds. In addition, its secure lock makes it easy to transport without the risk of opening up midway. What we like. Convenient to carry with a comfortable handle. Tabletop design for all-season use. Suitable for both indoors and outdoors. Compact with a folded dimension of 36.5 by 29.6 by 3 inches. Easy to store when not used. Sturdy base and legs. What we don't like. May come with a bump in the middle of the top surface. Legs may be difficult to adjust. Number 3. Best Sturdy. Iceberg 65491 Indestructible Resin Personal Folding Table. The Iceberg Model 65491 Small Foldable Table not only has the amusing name Indestructible, but it also lives up to its name, with a sturdy resin build that ensures long-term use. The 1200 series personal folding table has a chic charcoal hue that can blend in with any modern home interior. It has an appropriate size of 30 by 20 by 28 inches. What we like. Lightweight table at 11 pounds. Sturdy build from blow-molded high-density polyethylene for durability. Adjustable heights at 25 and 28 inches. Powder-coated steel legs with heavy gauge for the easy stand. Scratch and dent resistant. The high load capacity of up to 200 pounds. What we don't like. The tabletop may bow after extended heavy weight use. Table legs may not lock into grooves. Number 4. Best Sleek. Flash Furniture Black Folding Card Table. The black folding card table from Flash Furniture is distinctively square. This innovative design differs from its rectangular counterparts and allows for better space arrangement while remaining compact. In addition, this outdoor foldable table's lightweight construction at 12 pounds and sleek design make it a perfect combination of style and function with easy portability. What we like. Expansive dimension at 33.5 by 33.5 by 27.75 inches. Easy to manage extra space with the padded foldable table. Sturdy and no marring glides keep the floor scratch-free. Can accommodate up to 4 people. A decent distributed weight capacity of 130 pounds. Style addition to events with a contemporary design. What we don't like. May bow down in the center with a heavyweight. Legs may be difficult to fold. Number 5. Best 2-tier design. Green Forest Folding Desk. Green Forest's folding desk combines both style and construction to create a functionally eloquent product and a great style addition to your workspace or any other use. This foldable table desk requires no assembly and comes with foldable legs that are easy to use. Its 2-tier design gives enough room to organize your shelf space. It has an espresso finish for a classic wooden look. What we like. Legs made of wood and metal for sturdy support. Suits decorative purposes of your home and workspace. Saves space with an X-shaped leg design. Easy to fold and carry. Sufficient storage space for books, plants, and other small items. Expansive dimension at 32 by 32 by 32.7 inches. What we don't like. Can be a little heavy to carry. Sharp edges may lead to scratches on the floor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our coal products as it will make your life much easier.